Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how the pandemic will affect used car prices in 2023 and beyond, and what you need to know if you are planning to buy or sell a used car. As you may already know, the pandemic has disrupted the car market in many ways, affecting both new and used car prices. One of the factors that could impact the supply and demand of used cars in the future is the car leasing trend. Car leasing is a popular option for many consumers who want to drive a new car without paying the full price upfront. Leasing typically offers lower monthly payments than financing a car purchase, and allows the driver to return the car at the end of the lease term and get a new one. However, the pandemic has changed the car leasing landscape in several ways. First, the shortage of new cars caused by the global chip crisis has made leasing less attractive and affordable for many buyers. According to the BBC, the average monthly lease payment rose from £300 in 2019 to £350 in 2021, while the average initial payment increased from £1,500 to £2,000. The share of new car sales that were leased dropped from 25% in 2019 to 20% in 2021. Second, many consumers who had leased cars before the pandemic decided to buy out their leases instead of returning them and getting new ones. This was partly due to the high demand and low supply of used cars, which pushed up their resale values and made buying out a lease a better deal than trading it in. According to Auto Express, more than 30% of leased vehicles were bought out in 2021, compared to 20% in 2019. These two trends mean that fewer leased cars are coming back to the market as used cars, which could further tighten the supply and drive up the prices of used cars in the future. According to Car Dealer magazine, the average price of a used car in the UK rose by 19% in 2021, reaching £17,500 in December. That's the highest level since records began in 2011. Some experts predict that the used car market will start to cool down in 2023, as the chip shortage eases and new car production ramps up. However, others warn that the effects of the pandemic on car leasing could linger for years, as fewer leased cars will enter the used car market in the future. According to the Financial Times, the number of off-lease vehicles is expected to decline from 1 million in 2022 to 900,000 in 2023 and 800,000 in 2024. For consumers who are looking to buy or sell a used car in the future, it is important to do their research and compare prices across different sources. Online platforms such as AutoTrader and leasing options can help buyers find the best deals and offers on new and used cars, as well as provide COVID-secure delivery and handover services. Sellers can also benefit from the high demand and low supply of used cars, and get a good price for their vehicles if they are in good condition and have low mileage. However, they should also be aware of the potential tax implications and fees involved in selling a leased car. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about the used car market and how the pandemic has affected it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.